Hey guys, good morning. It is Monday, January 14th, I think, and I'm just getting ready for school. I'm already changed. I did my makeup. Should have filmed that, but I didn't because I forgot. And now I'm eating my breakfast before I have to head out. I already started my car because it is literally freezing here in Georgia, but I want to show you my outfit. So this is my outfit for school. I'm wearing this really long blazer. I'm wearing a kind of like a deep blue textured sweater. I don't know if you can really see it. These like trousers that are black and white and they have like a squared pattern. I'm wearing leggings underneath just because, like I said, it's super cold. And then these little booties that are super cute. So I wanted to make this video a college day in the life pretty much because I do go to college. I have now I have one class that I take at my college in Atlanta, but I am actually a student of Europe, which is a year-long workforce program. And so for the first 6 months we do like training. In my campus we do college training, so we get college credit. And then the next 6 months you're paired with an internship. So at the end of January, I'm actually going to be paired up with an internship. I've already interviewed with one company. It's not guaranteed that you're going to get, or it's not guaranteed that I'm going to get that specific position for that company because another company could want me as their intern. So it just depends on who you match up with, personality-wise, work ethic-wise, how the company's culture is. Can also be an indicator as to whether or not you get paired up with them. Because you could be super, super shy and then, you know, you wouldn't work in an environment where everyone is crazy and throwing Nerf guns at each other. So needless to say, the matching process is kind of insane. Oh, also, I'm wearing these little earrings that Parker gave to me. They're really cute. That would be a nice little touch to this winter outfit. The reason why I'm telling you this is because I am dressed professionally due to this program. So you have to dress professionally every single day. Other than Fridays, we have casual Fridays, which is really nice because I get to wear jeans. I'm gonna finish this and then put in back my liners, my Invisalign liners, take my vitamin, and head out the door. I'm such a baby when it comes to vitamins, so I have to take. Like, I bought the big version of this vitamin that has like 100,000 more percentage of the minerals and vitamins that comes with it. So then I had to go on Amazon and buy the little small one because I'm a baby and I don't know how to take vitamins. Okay guys, I'm about to head out to class. It's so dark, like if I don't even have the car light on, you can barely even see me. Also, I put on this lipstick, well, liquid lipstick, by ColourPop in the color Beeper. Really nice. Hopefully it doesn't mess up my outfit. I don't know. I feel like sometimes it bleeds throughout the day, so I'm just gonna see how it goes. If I look like a mess at the end of this, then we've proven it. But yeah, so I am ready to go off to school and I will probably talk to you guys when I get out. All right, so I am at school. I forgot to tell you guys that I usually listen to podcasts on the way to school. And oh, this is so weird, they're like trying to park next to me, but they're okay. I usually try to leave my house by like 7 o'clock and then I get here a little bit early so that I'm not late because I have this huge thing with being late. I don't like it. Also, the lipstick looks really nice. I put on a really thin layer and I really like it. I've worn it before, don't get me wrong, I've had it for a while, but I don't know. I think it's just because I put on such a thick layer whenever I wear ColourPop liquid lipsticks that they just kind of bleed and they're kind of gross. But I'm digging it right now. Anyways, so yeah, so like I was saying, I get to school kind of early so that I'm not so late, and then I usually bring my book. Right now I'm reading It by Stephen King. I'm almost done with it. I have like 120 more pages left, and I'm honestly so freaking excited because it's taken me like months to read this book, and I want to start reading my Christmas books. Also, if you're wondering if I have a lisp, it's because I'm wearing my liners, my Invisalign aligners. But yeah, I usually get to school early so that I can read just for a little bit. I usually come like 30 minutes early just because I have to drive to Atlanta, and it's kind of stressful, and I almost crashed on the way over here. I literally had to swerve into like this median lane because the car in front of me hit their brakes so fast that I would have hit them head on. So that was kind of scary, but I'm here and I'm alive and I'm thriving on this beautiful Monday. Yeah, and I'm just excited to go to class. We're taking like a financial freedom class, which is really interesting because our instructor talks about, you know, how to build credit if your credit is bad, how to build credit if you don't even have credit like me. And then I have career development at, I think it's 10:40 until 12. So that's gonna be my day today, and I get out at 12. So I think I'm going to read a little bit and then head out to class, and yeah. Okay, so I'm back. I just got out of class, and it was honestly really nice. We had, so our first class, like I said, was like a credit financial liability freedom class where you talk about credit and like how to build it, how to repair it, stuff like that. And that was really cool because we had we played a Jeopardy game at the end of it, and she kind of just quizzed us on what we learned in the last class that we had last week on Monday, and then this class that we took today. And that was really fun. My group lost, unfortunately, which was really sad, but it's cool. We were like 20 points off, but it's fine. And then I went to my career development class, which is really cool because we all went around the room and we discussed like our hopes and our concerns for internship. And I basically just said that I hope to learn as much as I can on internship, and I hope to hopefully obtain a job. About like 47% of students that are in Europe get hired on. And then my concern that I said in class was that I'm basically kind of worried about feeling isolated, and being in an IT field and also being a woman leads to a high chance of me only being the only woman in a certain team or a certain department, you know. So it's hard because I feel like I'm scared that I won't be able to connect with anyone, especially if I'm a part of a team that is strictly male and they're like 20 years my senior. But they told me not to worry about that, and that I'll figure out a way to find my purpose in the internship, and I know I will. So I'm excited for it. And now I have to go to UPS and drop off this package. My mom ordered something off of Soma. Fun fact, I used to work at Soma. I don't know if I ever said that in any of my videos, but I used to work at Soma last year before I started Europe in August. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'm gonna go home and eat lunch because I am so hungry. So hungry. Yeah, I also want to say that today is a really good day. Like, so far it's been really good. My classes have been good, and my lipstick is still on. It's looking good. So let's get this package shipped out. My dad's watching TV, but I meal prepped all my lunches for the week. So I usually make a salad for lunch just because I like eating healthy. So this has spinach, broccoli, shredded carrots, rice, and lentils, and then I made my own little salad dressing and I put it in this little to-go container. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna have for lunch, and then I'll probably either have like some dates with peanut butter. Actually, that sounds really good. I'm gonna have that. Dates with peanut butter. So that's gonna be my lunch. And taking my mom to work, and Samana surprised me with a Shane Dawson hoodie, the Oh My God pig shirt, or the Oh My God pig hoodie, and I am in love. Oh my gosh. Also, I'm wearing some PJs and some little socks, some little gray heart socks, but what the heck? I love it. It is literally so freaking soft. Like, I've always wanted this. This is so nice. So thank you, Samana, if you're watching this. I'm about to go upstairs now and make some food. been sitting here working on my Excel certification, and my eyes burn from my contacts being so dry. I'm tired. I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna take off my makeup, take off these earrings that I forgot I still had on, brush my teeth, and go to bed. Don't mind the huge pile of mess over there, but I'm going to end my night journaling a little bit. I usually like to journal at night just to get down and write down my thoughts that I had during the day. So I think I'm just gonna end this video here, but thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you all next time.